Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So lately on Sundays, I've been having kind of like this Pamper shower because I have to wash my hair. And in order to make it more fun, I just kind of make it into a Pamper big shower. So I thought I would take you along and show you what products I use and what I do. Maybe you'd be interested. So let's go ahead and get into it. So please don't judge my greasy hair. I am pregnant and barely alive, but I'm going in with a scalp mask, and this is my DIY scalp mask that I'd like to make. I mean, I don't do it every time I wash my hair, but whenever I feel like my scalp could use it, I like to make this. So it's just like a scoop of coconut oil, and then I add some tea tree and lavender oil. Sometimes I add eucalyptus, but I think that was downstairs and I was too lazy to go get it. And so you just make a mixture of that and you just rub it into your scalp, and the tea tree helps with scalp and the lavender helps with skin and hair growth and all that. So I really rub that into my scalp, and then for the rest of my hair, I'm using this Amika The Cure hair mask. I really like this stuff. There's two Amika hair masks that I really like, and I switch between the two of them. I think the other one is called Soul Food. So yeah, I am just putting that all through my ends from like my ears down and really making sure to concentrate it on my ends, and then I'm slapping my hair up in a bun. And then while that sits in my hair for a moment, I'm going to apply a face mask. This is the Bosia Luminizing Pink Peel Off Mask. This is a very painful mask, I will tell you now, but it is the most effective of the peeling masks that I've ever used, and it's a really fun, bright pink color. So it does kind of take some trial and error of learning the right amount of thickness to get it to peel off your face, because if you use too little, it won't peel and you'll just have to wipe it off, but if you use too much, it'll be too gloopy and never dry. So I will say it takes some trial and error, but I did get it right this day. So if you want to copy me, this is kind of the consistency it should be. This is what it looks like when it's wet, and then about 20 minutes later, it's all dry, and this is what it looks like. You kind of just have to get a good start going, and then you can peel it off. And I was laughing editing this about how in pain I look. It is serious. It's not that bad, but it hurts. You're peeling it off your skin, and it burns a little bit. But I'm telling you, my skin always looks so good after I use this mask. So it is worth the pain. Pain is beauty. And it's a little fun because you get to peel it off, but it is just mostly painful. And whatever doesn't come off will come off with warm water when you wash your face. That's what we're left with. So then we're jumping in the shower, and I didn't take any awkward shower shots, but I thought I would give you a rundown of what I used in the shower. So first up, I washed my hair. This is my favorite shampoo right now, Matrix Biolage Scalp Sync. It smells so good. It's their anti-dandruff shampoo. I feel like it's a little bit of a better quality than Head and Shoulders, which although I do like that as well, but I use that. And then my favorite conditioner right now, and my favorite natural conditioner, is the Young Living Copaiba Vanilla. It smells incredible and leaves my hair so weightless and bouncy. Then I am using my Clarisonic and my Simple just moisturizing facial wash to cleanse my face. And then I'm kind of rotating between a few different scrubs right now, but on this day I used my Trader Joe's Microdermabrasion scrub. This stuff is really like exfoliating but moisturizing. It's amazing. I also scrubbed my body this day. I used the Lush Orange Shower Scrub. This is not my favorite. I love Lush scrubs, but the scent of this is kind of really fake orange and I don't love it. Plus it leaves a huge mess. But my favorite shower gel right now is the Alba Botanica Very Emollient Midnight Tuberose. It smells so good and I love that it has a pump. And then of course when I get out of the shower, I moisturize my whole body, and I've been using this Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil. I saw somebody recommend this for not getting stretch marks, and I'm pregnant right now if you did not know, and so I use that all over my body, but mostly on my belly. Washing my hair completely drains me of all energy, but we must move on with skincare. So I put my hair up in a towel, and then I'm going in with my DIY toner, which I didn't make for months because just scents have been grossing me out, but I'm finally okay with scents again, so I just made my toner. It is half witch hazel, half water with tea tree, grapefruit, and a couple of drops of rose oil. Rose is really expensive, and a little bit goes a long way, so you don't need that much, but I just put that all in this cute glass spray bottle, shake it up, and then I just mist it, and it smells incredible. And the tea tree, my skin loves tea tree, and the rose is great for your skin, and I just got to do that after dance of a spritz. You guys know me. And then it was time to brush out my hair. I didn't realize Ludo was like sitting behind me creepily for a hot minute, but he's so cute and he's just curious and wants to watch me do everything. So as I was getting my brush out and everything, he was just staring, and then I realized like, oh, hey creepy, how's it going? He's just the cutest. But then it's time to brush out my hair, and if you've been following me for years, you've seen this before. I'm boring when it comes to hair care, but I just know what I like and I keep using it. But I'm using the Healthy Sexy Hair Tri-Wheat Soy Leave-In Conditioner. I've been using this for literally like half my life, little maybe more. But it's the best leave-in conditioner. It doesn't weigh your hair down, it helps detangle, and I love what it does for my hair. And I am of course using my Tangle Teaser. I've been using a Tangle Teaser for a few years and I totally love it. And I'm just gonna brush it all out. Then something new I tried on this day was from Matrix Biolage, right? I think that's who makes it. Biolage? I don't know. Air Dry Glotion. So it's like a lotion for your hair, I guess. I'm still trying this out and like not positive how I feel about it, but I do think it helps with the dry time of my hair. My hair usually takes literally all night to dry, which is why I wash it usually at night. I've been doing it in like the middle of the day Sundays just because I'm not doing anything. Also, I just realized my super cute Ugg boots behind me. I really didn't pick up for this video, did I? So I put in the glotion, the air dry glotion. Then I'm taking this towel scrunchie, which actually does kind of help take some of the water out of your hair, and I put up half my hair to help dry the bottom and the top at the same time while I do some skincare. I'm sure you guys are sick of seeing this, but I'm using my 4O UFO activated mask thing that I'm obsessed with. And today I'm trying a new activated sheet mask. This is the green tea one, which is for purifying. I've had some breakouts, so I'm slapping that on there to give it a try. And basically this is just like an LED light situation that also heats up, it cools down, it has 8 LED lights, it massages, it has all these different functions and a bunch of different sheet masks, and it's all kind of a unique experience, and you just sync it up with your phone. It runs for 90 seconds, it's like a little mini facial. I totally love it. I try to use it twice a week and I've seen such a great difference in my skin, so I just try to keep that up, and Sundays is usually a day that I do it, so yeah. Then when you're done, you just take this little clear thing off, take off the activated mask and throw that away, and then you rinse everything else under warm water. I let that sit in for a sec, and then I am putting on the Trader Joe's Supreme Hydrating Eye Cream. I've been using this for a little over a year now. Totally loving it. I find it very moisturizing, which is my favorite for an eye cream just because my eyes will get dry underneath and even the lids, so I like to keep them nice and moisturized. So I'm just applying that with my ring fingers. Then I'm going in with a new to me lotion. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream. Actually, this is new to everybody. I just got this in PR. It's supposed to be like their hydrating body lotion that I love, but it's for your face and it has collagen for firming, which is super fun. So I am loving it so far. It's very moisturizing. You guys know I love First Aid Beauty, so I will continue to try this out and let you know. But I'm just slapping that all over my face. And again, somebody came back to be a creep. Just creep everybody out. Now I'm putting on some Aquaphor on my lips. You can get used to seeing that because it's all I can stand on my lips right now with the taste and sense of everything. And it does a really, really good job. Then I'm just taking a plain spoolie to brush through my brows because they're a little unruly these days and they just needed a little brushing. And then I'm finishing everything off with the Fresh Vitamin Nectar Antioxidant Glow Water. I love this stuff. It is so refreshing. I love the way it makes my skin look, either just plain skin, no makeup, or on top of makeup. I'm absolutely obsessed, and it's a really like nice misting experience. So again, doing the misting dance. And yeah, guys, that is it. I'm taking my hair out just so it can all air dry. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my little Super Sunday shower pamper routine situation that I've been doing. I will have all the products I use listed down below if you have any questions. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you very soon. I have tons of new videos coming up, so I will see you back here soon. I love you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.